Good morning. So we are continuing the lesson yoga. So the importance of yoga. We have discussed and we have started the importance of yoga in previous video. So the importance of yoga, physical purity, cures and prevention of diseases, reduce mental tension, beautification of body, provides relaxation, keeps the correct posture of body. Seventh is yoga can be performed easily. Eighth is spiritual development. Then increase flexibility, reduce obesity. It improves health. It enhances moral and ethical values. So there are so many importance of the yogas. So these few we will discuss in detail. Physical purity we have discussed. And in which the cleanliness of physical body externally as well as internally. Externally, commonly we used to use to clean our body in the form of washing, bathing, but internally the yogic kriyas are there which helps us to clean the internal body organs and the body internally. Cure and prevention from various diseases. Second importance is yoga not only prevent many diseases but also cures them. Yoga is the best medium of prevention that we know, but also it can cure various diseases, and it is used to uh, cure or used in the therapeutic way in the lives now these days. The therapeutic effects of the yoga is also now these days in the trend, and yoga is helping to treat various diseases, various lifestyle diseases and other diseases also, infectious diseases also. So yoga not only prevent many diseases but also cures them. Various yogic exercises increases the immunity of the body. Definitely, yogic exercises makes the our body and body systems healthy. So immune system becomes strong. Diseases such as bronchitis, sinusitis, arthritis, gastritis, asthma, high blood pressure, stress, back pain, urinary disorders, etc., can be prevented as well as can be cured by yoga exercises. These are only the list of the diseases, the problems, but there are so many diseases which can be cured by the yoga. So, diseases, bronchitis, it is related with the lungs. Sinusitis, it is the related to the sinus in our nostrils. Arthritis, joint pain. Gastritis, this is gastric problem. Asthma, it is also related with the lungs, and this is common disease. high blood pressure. Stress is also common. Various people now these days suffer with the stress. Back pain, another very common lifestyle disease. Urinary disorders. These are the related to the urine formation and the organs of the urinary tract. So these can be prevented as well as cured, and more so many diseases are there. There is, as the studies tells that now these days there is no diseases like that cannot be cured by the yoga. So yoga can cure any disease. So the next importance of the yoga is reduced mental tension. So yoga reduces the mental tension. Yoga helps in reducing the mental tension by pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, or the element of yoga which play vital role in reducing the mental tension, mental stress. Stress, we know, then when there is the tension and where there is the person is unable to decide the priority, what to do. Asanas like Makarasan, Savasan, Salvasan, and Bhujangasan are beneficial for releasing stress and tension. So there are so many yoga activities which gives us mental peace. When the mind is strong, so definitely we can save ourselves from various mental disorders. When mind is working in a proper manner, so definitely we can save ourselves from various diseases, mental disorders and mental diseases, psychological diseases. So reducing mental tension through the yoga is very easy, because yoga helps to reduce the mental tension very easily. So there are so many exercises, so many pranayams, and so many activities are there which helps us to reduce the mental tension and makes us mentally strong and healthy. Another one is yoga reduce obesity and it helps in the beautification of the body. Obesity is becoming a worldwide problem in which the weight of the person is increased excessively, and excess increasing the weight makes the person irregular in shape and it brings various diseases. So yoga helps to reduce the obesity. Obesity makes a person prone to many diseases, that I am telling you. Obesity is it can generate various health problems. So that's why the obesity must be reduced, and this health yoga can help here. Research studies have shown that mental tension and stress could be one of the reasons for obesity. This is truth because a healthy mind exists in sound body. When we have physical illness, so definitely there may be mental problems. So yoga can help here. Pranayam and yogic exercise, yogic asanas release mental stress, reduce obesity, and makes body strong and perfect. So Mayurasana is one such asana. So various asanas are there, not only Mayurasana, there are various asanas are there which can help us to cure the obesity and helps us in beautification of the body. Beautification, as we have discussed in previous video also, it depends on the how we keep our body and how healthy our body cells are. So yoga can help. This is the another importance of the yoga. Another importance is provides relaxation. Rest and relaxation are essential for removing fatigue and recovery also. Research studies have shown that yogic asanas and pranayams relax the body and mind. Padmasana, Savasana, and Makrasana are some of such asanas which help us to relax our body completely. And yoga activities, these are yoga activities which gives us relax in a complete form, psychologically and physically, because sometimes we are physically taking rest but psychologically we are busy, so that is not a complete rest. So whenever through the yoga activities we are taking rest in the form of Padmasana, Savasana, Makrasana, so these helps us to relax physically as well as psychologically. So that is complete rest which helps us to recover and which helps us to relax completely. Another importance is that is keeps the correct posture of body. Yoga helps us to keep the correct posture of body. Postural deformities are very common nowadays due to lifestyle followed which affect efficiency negatively. People have opted the lifestyle which has negative effect over the health and our life. So these postural deformities are very common nowadays. So yoga can help here to correct the posture of the individual and to correct the lifestyle and bring the lifestyle in positive trend, by which we can save ourselves from various lifestyle diseases and various postural deformities. So whatever we are doing, how we are living, posture means that we will study in class 12. Posture means that how we keep our body, the body position, the body alignment. So it means if the posture is wrong, so then there is the postural deformities will arise. So posture is wrong means when we are not walking properly, when we are not sitting properly, when we are not laying properly. So how we are keeping our body. So yoga exercises, yoga activities can help us to prevent these postural deformities by making the correct posture of the body. So postural deformities are very common nowadays due to lifestyle followed, which affects efficiency negatively. So people have the lifestyle which has a negative impact over the life and health. So this can be cured by the yoga activities. Doing yoga asanas regularly, a person can not only have a correct posture but can also cure the postural deformities. So one is thing that we can prevent ourselves from postural deformities. We can have correct posture by doing yoga activities. But in the other side, we can cure the postural deformities of the person is suffering from the postural deformity, so that can also be cured by the yoga activities, yoga asanas regularly. Especially yoga asanas are there which helps us to cure various postural deformities. This we will study in class 12. So doing yoga asanas regularly, we can save ourselves from various postural deformities and we can have the correct posture also. This is preventive as well as the curative measure for the postural part. About the posture, we can prevent ourselves and we can cure also if there is any deformity. Vajrasan, Sarvangasan, Mayurasan, Chakrasan, Bhujangasan, Paschimottanasana, Dhanurasan, Halasan, various asanas are there. Sarvangasan, Chakrasan, various asanas are there which can help us to prevent and cure various postural deformities. Another important that is yoga can be performed easily. For doing various exercises, sometimes the persons are not interested or we need equipments, time and we need money to for expand to purchase the equipment, so or to join the any club. So yoga can be performed easily. There is no need to join any club, there is no need to purchase any equipment, there is no need to have a specific time or have some extra time. Yoga can be performed very easily. We have to select the activities. In a very few time we can get a very big good result by performing yoga activities. In fast life of today, everyone claims to be very busy, hardly any time left for self. People have no time for themselves. So in this time the yoga activities are very easy to perform. This can be included in the sitting, while we are watching TV, while we are doing anything else. So yoga can be performed in a very short time to get the maximum result. The few time yoga which is performed for few time can give a result of the exercises performed for the several of minutes. So yoga is very effective activity, very effective exercise. Doing yogic exercise need only a small space. We do not need so much space, where as others need much of money and time. So it means the yoga activities can be performed anywhere, anytime, and without having space, money, equipments, and and time, so much time. So this is another importance of yoga. Another importance we will come, that is spiritual development. Spiritual development, one can have good control over mind by doing yogic exercises and move toward the spiritual heights. Yoga can help us to maintain the spiritual health also, because yoga has the spiritual relations. It's the meaning, by the meaning of yoga we can understand it makes us to join our soul with God. Padmasana, Siddhasana enhance the meditation power. We can increase our concentration. We can increase our focus. Pranayam also help, also useful for spiritual development. Spiritual development also. So this is the part of wellness we have studied in previous chapters. Spiritual wellness can be easily developed by the yogic activities. So spiritual development is also very important to maintain health. Another importance is it increases the flexibility. Flexibility is very significant and it helps in movement of body efficiently. Muscles become more flexible and prevent sports and other injuries. Flexibility of body is very important because flexibility and the flexibility can be developed very easily by the yoga activities rather than any other exercises. So flexibility is the range of movement of the joint, which we have studied in previous chapter. So muscles become more flexible and joints become more flexible by doing yoga activities. The flexibility can prevent us from various injuries, various sports injuries and other injuries also. While we are falling down, we can save ourselves if we are highly flexible. So flexibility is very important to prevent us from various injuries. Chakrasana, Dhanurasana, Halasana, Bhujangasana, etc. are very beneficial in increased body flexibility. So flexibility is another part. Then we will come to it reduces the obesity. Very common problem nowadays, regular yoga exercises like pranayam and asanas reduce obesity. Obesity is serious problem that we will discuss afterwards in detail. So increasing the weight of the body, excess fat deposition in the body. Research studies have shown that obesity is also caused by the mental and stress and tension, definitely, that we have discussed in previous slide. Meditative asanas are the perfect solution for this condition. In which meditative asanas, which are asanas are there and the mind is also being focused on particular task. So obesity can be reduced by various yogic exercises, which is now these days known as the doorstep for the diseases. So another one importance is improves health. Overall health can be improved by doing yoga activities. Yoga not only maintains but improves our health also. Muscles become more strong. Various systems of the body like respiratory, circulatory, nervous, excretory system, etc. becomes more efficient, resulting improvement in overall health. So overall health can be improved by doing yoga activities, either the yoga exercises, yoga asanas, yoga pranayam, yogic kriyas. All will have very good effect over the health, and definitely the health of the persons will be very good while the person is doing yoga exercises, yoga activities. And not only exercises, because they have yoga have various activities that we will discuss afterward. This is just we are going through the importance of the yoga. Enhance moral and ethical values. Yoga has various moral and ethical values which can be developed by studying the yoga, by practicing various yoga activities. Yoga is very significant for human beings in present day life. By following first two steps of Ashtanga Yoga, Yam and Niyam, we will discuss in detail afterward. In the topic elements of yoga. By following first two steps of the Ashtanga Yoga, Yam and Niyam, which are the first two steps of the Ashtanga Yoga, Yam and Niyam. So, which included Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Santosh, like Yam is included Satya, Ahimsa, Asteya, Brahmacharya and Aparigraha. Niyam include Shauch, Santosh, Tap, Swadhyay, Ishwar Pranidhan. So these all, especially these two, Yam and Niyam, are developing a lot of values. These values are enhanced by the following first two steps of the Ashtanga Yoga. We will discuss in detail the elements of the Ashtanga Yoga. 8 elements are there. Ashtanga means 8. So, how the yoga is enhancing moral and ethical values we are discussing here. So, there are various moral and ethical values, social ethics are there in yoga, which can make us very good person. An individual can attain perfect health and lead a content life by performing yogic exercises daily. So there are various things are there in yoga which can be performed by following and performing various yoga activities, by studying yoga properly, willingly. When we are performing yoga activities, definitely it will give us a lot of effect. There are tremendous and magical effects are there in yoga activities, either the pranayam, asana, or the yogic kriyas, or the study of yoga. These helps us to be a good human being, to be a good person in society, to be a successful person. And when we are physically, mentally and socially healthy, definitely we can succeed in life. We can do anything whatever we want. As we know, psychological health is very important, mental satisfaction is very important now these days, which people are lacking. So yoga can, overall there are various importance of yoga, and over all world, in whole world, the people are giving preference to perform the yoga activities rather than any other exercises. Yoga activities are very effective, and they helps the people to get good results in minimum time, and they have the choice of performing the activities. Various activities are there, and each activity is definitely very effective. So when we will go through this chapter, we will study about various things in yoga, about the yoga. Then we will come to know then how the yoga is highly important, why the peoples of the world are accepting the yoga as a priority. So we will come with the next video with the brief history of yoga and Ashtanga Yoga.